This is the dashboard of the Galla Salon app, and today we will learn about categories. Here in the catalog section you will find the option category. Now to create a new category, click on New Category tab. Fill in all the details. Add the description. Parent refers to the category like it is related to hair, skin, head massage, what it is. So let's say it's related to skin. Alright, now click on Save. Yeah. You have successfully added the category. So yeah, that is how you will be creating new categories in the Galla Salon app. Hope this helps you. Thank you.